Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off replies to your Instagram stories. First let me show you how it looks like when I open up Instagram. And when I open up some stories, I can see this. At the bottom I can see this send message field, and here I can react to some person's story and the person will get notification about it. So what to do if you don't want to get this notification? First you need to open up your profile, then you need to click on these three lines icon, and here we get bunch more options. I click on settings. Next I click on privacy, and there I need to find this story option. I just tap on it, and here I see replying and how it replying and how replies will work with your stories. So now it's set to everyone. Everyone can reply to your story. I can change this option to, for example, people you follow, or I can just turn this option off, and with that settings no one will be able to react to your story. You see how it's simple and easy. Make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.